Welcome to my channel All About It. This is my review of Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. This deep pore cleansing is described as the world's most powerful facial. It's made of 100% pure natural calcium bentonite clay. It doesn't contain additives, fragrances, animal products. It's great for acne and blemishes. It's recommended to be used once per week. Warning: do not use any metal bowls or spoons with this mask because bentonite clay attracts heavy metals from skin, and by using metal objects, the mask will stop working. You should use glass, plastic, or wooden bowls and spoons. Here are the directions for the mask. Mix Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay with equal parts of apple cider vinegar or water. Stir the mixture until it's a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick layer of clay to the face or other areas and let it dry. Drying times vary, but times are generally 5 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Do not leave clay mask on skin longer than 5 to 10 minutes. If you have delicate skin, to prevent redness and drying. I think that we all need to remove it at different times depending on the sensitivity of our skin. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and is going to disappear in about 30 minutes after use. Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay helps to remove dirt and impurities from the pores of the skin. The clay is beneficial for deep pore cleansing of the skin. Use only 100% apple cider vinegar. Raw is preferable. Discontinue if rash appears. This clay is for external use only. There's 1 pound of clay in this container, but they also have the 2-pound container. I wanted to try it out, so I just took the smaller one, but next time I'll take the larger container. The price is reasonable. A little of the powder goes a long way. I use less than a spoonful of the powder and an equal amount of apple cider vinegar. Don't use too much clay because it will be very hard to take off and you won't feel the mask working, and it's better to spread the mask on thinly. This bentonite clay mask has an earthy smell. It goes on smoothly, no lumps. I applied with a foundation brush to not get my hands all dirty. You can feel your skin pulsate when you use apple cider vinegar with the clay. The mask gets very tight once it dries and can be a little uncomfortable, but your skin will feel amazing in the end. Your skin will also occasionally feel itchy when the mask dries, but it's just a sign that it's working. I did some research on this product before buying it, and some people said that they were breaking out more after making a mask with this clay, but everyone reacts differently, so I still bought it and tried it, and it didn't do me any harm. Some might be allergic or have very sensitive skin. It says you get 10 to 15 masks out of 1 pound of clay, but I have already used a lot and still have a lot of powder left. When I didn't have some apple cider vinegar yet, I tried to mix with water and it made the mix clumpy. Using apple cider vinegar is so much better for the mixture, and it's the original recipe. It comes out smooth and it fizzes a little bit, but it's because it's activating. This clay mask has really helped to unclog my pores. It really goes deep into your pores and removes out all impurities and toxins. It also helped clear most of my blackheads. I find this mask messy to wash off, but it's normal, just like any other mud facials, so I take it off in the shower after the time's up. Instead of your hands, use a wet washcloth to remove the mask. It will be much easier. This healing clay will make your skin feel so smooth and clean after using it, and it makes my skin so soft for days. Make sure to moisturize your skin after you wash off the mask. I sometimes use this clay as a spot treatment. This bentonite clay really reduces my acne. It makes my pimples look a bit smaller. I noticed a decrease in active breakouts with a few uses. I have my acne mostly under control, but my scars are pigmented. In 3 days, it had almost diminished half of my scars. It's really a deep clean for your face. It really brought down all the inflammation in my acne and dried it up. This clay has made my skin look brighter and healthier. I often get compliments from people saying that my skin is glowing. I'm always recommending this clay to everyone, my friends, family, coworkers, and now to my YouTube viewers. I'm glad I found this product. Now I'll talk about the interesting way this healing clay works, then share some recipes and the history of bentonite clay. The unique structure of the molecules in Aztec secret Indian healing clay carries a negative electron charge. This comes from the valence electron count from the specific minerals found in Aztec secret Indian healing clay. When a spectrographic analysis is done on Aztec secret Indian healing clay, almost every mineral found on Earth is present. Aztec secret is volcanic ash from when the Earth was formed. It is the foam residue left as the planet cooled. The foam residue formed a pure clay vein layered between white sand near one of the lowest parts of the planet Earth. When a facial or clay poultice is applied to the skin, it forms a negative charge. Poisons and toxins stored in the epidermis have a positive charge. Aztec secret Indian healing clay lifts the pimple and blackheads into the clay bed to cause accelerated healing and nourishment to the skin with over 50 minerals. 100% natural. I found some recipes on Aztec secret clay website to help lower your stress. To make an antioxidant mask, mix equal parts of Aztec secret Indian healing clay with brewed green tea and 500 milligrams of vitamin C with bioflavonoids. Open up a capsule, apply to skin, allow to dry and rinse. Green tea is currently being studied for its antioxidant, antibacterial, and cancer-killing properties. For foot facial, mix equal parts of Aztec secret Indian healing clay with brewed peau d'arco tea and 5 drops of tea tree oil. Apply to feet, especially in between the toes. Let it dry 30 minutes and rinse well in warm water. For a honey mask, mix equal parts of Aztec secret Indian healing clay with apple cider vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply to your skin, allow to dry 10 minutes and rinse with warm water. This mask is similar to a mask used by Cleopatra in her beauty ritual. For the body pack, mix 1 pound of Aztec secret Indian healing clay with 1 pint of apple cider vinegar. Apply a thin coat of the mixture to the body and allow it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse well in the shower. Here is some history of the use of bentonite clay. Cleopatra used clay from the Nile River and the Arabian desert over 108,000 years ago as part of her beauty ritual. German and Roman spas have been using clay packs and treatments in the spas they built 4,000 years ago. Many of these spas still exist and use clay even today. Pliny the Elder devoted an entire chapter of his natural history to the many uses of clay for pimples, blackheads, and skin tightening. Many famous naturopaths such as Kahn, Just, and Knip have contributed to the revival of the uses of clay through their natural treatments for arthritis and skin ailments. The use of clay with apple cider vinegar can be dated back to the southern French priest of the 16th century Knip and his natural treatments using clay packs and poultices. This specific Aztec secret Indian healing clay is bentonite clay from Death Valley, California, where it is sun-dried for up to 6 months in temperatures that sometimes reach 134 degrees. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll gladly answer it. And also feel free to comment about your experience with this healing clay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.